To make mint oil, we're going to be making use of some carrier oil that helps blood flow to our hair follicle. They contain some microbial and antifungal properties that help to curb dandruff. So here we'll be mixing some melted shea butter oil, castor oil. This oil helps to, when used to massage the hair scalp, it enables blood flow to the hair follicle. Then our major carrier oil is the coconut oil. This is known for curbing dandruff. Okay, so after mixing the oil, then you add your mint leaf. Here we're using fresh mint leaf. Mint leaf help to curb dandruff. It's a medicinal plant for dandruff. Okay, you will leave it to cook on low heat for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes at most. Here, the water molecule is completely off because at this point the leaf is crispy. It's not fried, but it's crispy. You allow it to cool, then you extract your oil. Massaging um, mint leaf oil on your scalp helps blood flow to your hair follicle, which enables hair growth and helps curb dandruff on hair scalp.